Why should I choose BONOSS wheel spacers?
For the factory Ford Explorer wheel rims, the wheel width is smaller than the aftermarket 4x4 wheels. When there is an increase in wheel width and a lack of back spacing, the Ford Explorer wheel spacer can be used to adjust the offset and increase the back spacing. As a professional wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS has created the world's first active cooling technology based on years of experience, breaking the long-term single function of the wheel spacers. Through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the braking efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety. BONOSS has been 10 years experience of designing and manufacturing wheel spacers. Professional production experience and excellent product quality make us confident to provide a super long warranty service up to 10 years.
For more information, please see the link down on the description. See you next time. Bye bye.